Okay, so the first thing you have to do is get the cube into proper cube shape, something like a 3 by 3. Okay, so in order to get that cube shape, there are these small pieces and big pieces, right? So you need to get all the small pieces next to each other. There are 8 of them, so you need to get them next to each other. So that basically you try to match them up. It's usually best to keep one of the, now there's 2 pieces, one small and big in the middle, so it's best to keep this on your left, the small one, so it's easier to turn. Now let's try matching up these. You look for pairs. Okay, I'll keep that in the bottom, and let's see. Yeah, okay. Okay, so usually you get this kind of shape. Now there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8, but this should be here, right, next to all of this. So usually what you do is, okay, keep the red on your thumb and then split these like an L. This is like an L, right? So this forms like an L, these 2 pieces. So cut that L, you see the L, bring it down, bring it to the bottom, so that the L is like that now, as in the shape. I mean, it should be matching here though. And then here you split 2, so this forms a line, so you can turn it now. Okay, once you do that, now this L comes on top, right? Once this L comes on top, all you have to do is these 2 form a line here, so you're separating these 2 like this, so these 2, and then here you put this on the top. If it's on the top, put it in the bottom. If it's in the bottom, if it's back, put it front. If it's front, put it back. So in this case, it was back, so you put it front, and now there's a line here. You go up. Now see, there's 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. You turn this at this division, and now see, once you move this up, all 8 are on the same side. So once you get all 8 and 2 other corners, you have to do the first formula to get the square shape, and for that, first position is like this. You need to split the whole thing in 2. So one out of these 2, right? Keep one on either side, the big ones. So see, there you go. It's split. Okay, it's like that. 4, 4, 1, 1. So it's split. After you hold it in this position, you do the formula. You have the formula sheet. Slash -2 -4 slash -1 -2 slash -3 -3, which means, so first slash, and -1 -2, you know, this is 1 and this is 2, so top -2, bottom -4, so -1 2 -3 -4. Okay, and then slash -1 -2 slash -1 -2 -3 and -1 -2 -3 slash. So now it's in the square shape. This is fine. This will probably end up being a parity, but we have a formula for that. You can ignore this. It's fine if it's like this. So now what you have to do is try to get all whites or yellows on each side. Now let's see. Blue, red. So white should be down. White, blue, red. So this is matching. These 2 aren't matching. So you just have to match it up. Let's see. Okay, this is blue, so this is blue. So I'll try to put it next to each other. Okay. So we got 2 blue. Now this one, so we need to get green. Okay, so now we got green matching. You move it to the right, and no, see this won't, so just move it once. There you go. Oh wait, but see, in this case what happened was that it's not matching because this is supposed to be the bottom layer, remember? So it's simple. All you have to do is 6 and then slash and then 6. Just flip this 6 and then slash and then 6. 6 means basically it's like an R2 slash. Wait, okay, slash and flip and then slash and then flip and slash. Nope, that's not it. Okay, that's flipping the equator, sorry. So it's actually slash and then 6 and then 6 slash. So what that does is this whole thing comes on top and the whole thing comes on bottom. It's like flipping the sides. See, now you see why blue red, it's matching. If I match this up, it's matching now. All the corners are matching. And then next what you have to do is get all the whites on one side. So there is a white and yellow here. So what you have to do is there is a non-white, get it to the right side. So non-white is to the right, and directly above that you need a white. So here, so white and then non-white. Get it? So this will go here. These two will get flipped. These two will change places. So that's what we're going to do. And because it's orange, it's good. So to flip these two, the formula you have to do is -2 slash 3. So 1, 2, 3 slash -1 slash 2 -2 1 slash. See now all the wait, what happened? Okay, let's do that again. So -2 slash 1, 2, 3 slash -1 slash -2 1 slash. Okay. Oh, that was the wrong formula. Never mind. Okay, so now we have these two, and this will go here and this will go here. So the formula for that is 1, 0 slash 0 -3. So -1 -2 -3 slash 0 -3 -1 -2 -3 slash -1 -1 slash 1 1 2 1 1 2, so that's 3 4 slash 0 -3. Wait, zero 3 slash. So now you have all the whites on one side, all the yellows on one side. Now let's just quickly match this up, and yeah, so almost the whole cube is solved. Now you see that there is, these two have to be flipped, these two will get swapped, and here there is 1 2 3 4. So let's see, usually the next formula, what it does is these two, it'll swap these two and also swap these two. So 1 2 3 4. So this will get swapped to this, and this will get swapped to this on the back. Here 1 2 swap, and then bottom 1 2 swap. So for that, what we have to do is try to find pieces where it will get swapped at once. So what I'm saying is now these two will get swapped. It's done, the top layer. So I'll move this there. So 1 2, so it's here at the back, back and right. One is at the back, one is on the right. And the bottom, now I have to figure it out. So there's 4 colors. That means if I put green here, and then green will be solved, blue will still be there, and then I can switch blue and orange. No, that won't be good. And then I can do red and orange. So red will be solved, and then orange will be here, and orange and blue. So you have to think ahead. So I have to do this first, green and blue. So I have to keep green and blue at the back, and these two at the back. So green and blue, orange and blue. So keep that to your back and right, and then now do the formula minus 2 slash 3 1 2 3 0 slash minus 1 slash minus 2 1 slash. Now see, all yellow is done, and now there's 2 moves. The thing about this is if you keep your top in the same position, then it'll get swapped and it'll get swapped again, because you have to do this formula twice. Now how you have to do it twice is, okay, you can't change this because then it'll become opposites, and that'll be hard. So orange and red. So then red will get finished, and then orange will be here, and then orange and blue you can do. So keeping these two at the back, so back and right, and then I do the same formula, minus 2 0 slash 3 0 slash minus 1 slash minus 2 1 slash. So now these two are not solved, so you keep it to the right. Now here, so yeah, blue, red and green is solved on the white face. So now I have to do only these two, so I keep them to the right. So now as you can see, these two will get solved, these two will get solved. So keep that to your right, and thumb here, and then do minus 2 0 slash 3 1 2 3 slash minus 1 slash minus 2 1 slash, and you have your whole cube solved. Sometimes you get a parity where it's solved on one side, on only one side you have to do both of these flip, and for that what you have, the formula is slash minus 3 0 slash 0 minus 3 0 3 1 2 3 slash 0 minus 3 slash 0 3 slash 2 0 slash 0 2 slash minus 2 0 slash 4 1 2 3 4 slash 0, so minus 2 minus 1 minus 2 slash 0 2 1 2 slash minus 1 4 1 2 3 4 slash 0 minus 3, so minus 1 minus 2 minus 3 slash 0 3 slash, oh wait, there's no slash, 0 3. So see, what happens is these two are switched and this is flipped. So then to fix this, now this is usually what a parity you get, or sometimes you'll get this. Sometimes you'll just get it like this. So sometimes you'll get it like this when these two have to be switched. So for that you can do the parity and this will get, so wait, if you get like this and you do the parity formula, so minus, this is a long formula, slash minus 3 0 slash 0 minus 3 slash 0 minus 1 2 3 slash, oh, Okay, so if you get these two only, now see, everything, the cube is solved. Only these two. So for that, what you have to do is do the parity formula, slash -3 0 slash 0 3 slash 0 -3 slash 0 3 slash 2 0 slash 0 2 slash -2 0 slash and then 4. So 1 2 3 4 0 slash 0 -2 slash 0 2 slash -1 4 1 2 3 4 slash 0 -3 slash. So yeah, so what it does is flips these two, and this also is getting flipped. So to fix this is nothing but slash, and then just like look at this line 6, basically flipping it once, slash, and then again flipping it once, slash. Whole cube is done.